The Rural Health Information Hub's Economic Impact Analysis tool can help you determine the impact your community health project has on the state economy. The previous video in this series walked you through the type of information to collect in order to create an economic impact analysis report for a completed project. You are also welcome to use the tool for project planning. You can create multiple scenarios to see how different decisions on spending change the impact your project has on the state economy. From the main EIA landing page, select the Get Started button. From here, click on Create New Scenario. You will be prompted with options for future access to your scenario. For example, you may bookmark it or add access by email address. Once you've created a scenario, you will be brought to the first step for adding information. Here you enter the project name, information about the state or states served, and some related information. In step 2, you'll share information about the funding for your project. In the steps to follow, you will add spending. The spending you add in the next steps must completely use up the funding in order to generate a report. In steps 3 through 6, you will add personnel expenses, equipment, supplies, contract, and other spending. Continue adding spending until all funds are allocated. For each spending item, you will identify if it was in the state or states your project serves or outside of those states. The system will track your unspent funds along the way. For more detailed information on how to add spending, please see the user guide. Once you've finished adding spending, your report will be available. From here you can print it or save it as a PDF. Finally, you'll find the option to bookmark your report, provide access to others by email address, and to copy links for others to edit or view your scenario. We hope that you'll find this tool useful in learning how your health project impacts your state. Please contact us for additional information or assistance using the Economic Impact Analysis tool.